Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And in today's video I want to show you a simple approach you can use to analyze crash 1000, sorry, the boom and crash market. It's a very simple way, and if you stick to this video, like watch it to the end, I believe you get some values that to help you um, to upgrade in your approach to analyzing the market. All right, so now in this video what I do, because mostly I have to go to the higher time frame to check out some key levels and also to the direction of the market, the overall direction of the market. So currently, as you can see, market actually got to a high on the weekly time frame where market previously reversed. I'm talking about this particular point here where I'm putting this blue line. You can see that market actually got to that level. Market got to that. Let me zoom in. You can see market. One moment, please. Okay, you can see each time market got to this line, it reversed. It got back here again, it reversed. So this is the same point the market got to, then reversed. So if you go to the current side of the market, you will see that market got back to this same level, swept it a little, and then started reversing to the downside. So if anybody was on chart to notice this on a lower time frame, you will catch multiple spikes to the downside and make some massive money, because this is a weekly time frame. So there's enough room down here from this point down to here to make good money. So meanwhile, let's go down to the, since I've marked this is actually a resistance zone. This blue line I've marked is actually a key resistance level in the market on the weekly time frame. Then I will have to go down to the daily time frame, because I can't find any possibility of marking key level below it. I usually mark below and above the current price, but I can't find any strong key level here to use at this point. So I would like to go to the daily time frame. All right, so on the daily time frame, as you can see, I'll have to go to where the market actually previous activity around that price, because as you can see right here, we do not have enough information here to mark key levels right here. So we have to come to where we have a lot of information. That's why I have to come down to this side of move to this side of the market. Then I'll have to look for a key level to mark, and I think this is a nice one. This is a nice key level. The reason being that market actually bought and sold along this level. As you know, market bought here. You can see market also bought here, sold from here, and also sold from here. So this is a key level here on the daily time frame. All right, so I'm not sure of any other key level on this same daily time frame. If there is, it won't be that clear enough until we go down to the 4-hourly time frame. So we want to skip this time frame and go down to the 4-hourly time frame to see another key level to mark out. Meanwhile, you can see the second line we marked here on this level. To mark out this key level, you can see the moment. You can see it is actually on a strong zone, meaning this zone was also respected even when I got to this level. You see market reversed from here, came back, broke through it, or retested, and then still got to the upside. So this is a key level actually. So let's go to the 4-hourly time frame to see what we can get. So I'll go to the 4-hourly time frame, and I'll still have to go back far back to this other side of the market to see good to get clear information about the movement of the market. Then right here I can see the market actually bought and sold along a certain level right here. You can see market bought here and has been selling along this level. Market has been selling along this level and also bought along this level. So this is a strong level in the market. So I have to place a horizontal line right there, guys. This is a horizontal line right here to mark out where the market has been buying and selling, guys. And you see it is close to the current price. It is close to the current price. This is where market has been buying and selling. So let's trace it to where we have the current side of the market. And as you can see on the current side of the market, what we did was actually correct, guys. If you know how to mark out these things correctly, you see that once you get to the current side, you go to a lower time frame, it will always fit in correctly. You can see what we have here. Market bounced here and decided to go back to the upside. All right, so now we are on the 4 hourly time frame, and you can see the market has this is the current side of the market. And I usually stop doing my top analysis, like marking out key levels, when I get to the 1 hourly time frame. So I need to go down to 1 hourly time frame to mark out a key level. But before that, you can see the market was moving impulsively to the upside, broke through this zone, came back and retested, then still bought impulsively again to the upside. Now this time around, the market is no longer moving impulsively until this point before it moves another. It gave, I can call this one a kind of there's what some traders call a exhaustion candle, kind of exhaustion, because this was, it used this particular candlestick to get um, to that resistive zone, to that resistance zone. Then from there you can see it sold to the downside, and this is a kind of a, this is an impulsive correction in the market. Meanwhile, this line has to be changed to avoid confusing me. Let me change it to something like this. That's better. All right, so we can try to mark this out with a trend line. This structure here, let me use a trend line to mark this out. I want to mark just where we have those correction, where the impulsive correction started. That's where I want to mark, just where the corrective impulse started. All right, so then I can decide to put another one on top of it. Oh, sorry. Guys, this is a very simple way of analyzing the market without much stress. You are done within 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You are done. It's taking kind of um, it's taking me time because I'm explaining while doing it. That's why it is so. And also, if you want to zoom out, you'll find that the market was also moving in a trend. If you come to the daily time frame, you'll notice this trend that the market was moving. You know, market is, the daily time trend line has not yet been broken. So since it's not yet been broken, the market is still in an uptrend based on the daily time frame. The market is still in an uptrend based on the daily time frame. So until this trend line is broken, then before we begin to expect the market to sell massively to the downside. All right, so that is it. Then let's go to the 1 hourly time frame so I can get another key level to mark out. I'll still zoom out completely, then run to this other side of the market where I will see more activities that will help me to mark out. All right, so we can see right here the market is around a key level. You can see this level here, right here in the market. See this level here, market sold from here, sold from here, sold from here, sold from here, bought from here, sold, sold here, sold, bought, and sold. So that's the key level, and the market is currently at that point. I duplicated the line and putting it right there. So let me just come here and change the color to something else. Can use maybe can use this color right there. All right, to indicate the 1 hourly time frame um, key level. All right, so you can see if we run to the right side of the market, to the current side of the market, then we'll find that this key level we just marked is in line with this with the current structure of the market. Like, it's almost where we have let me take out this. So it's almost where we have this support here, sorry, this resistance zone, where market sold here, market sold here, bought here, or you can see market bought and bought, and this is a market still reacting as like it wants to reverse. Mind you, once you draw trend lines on a higher time frame and going to a lower time frame, you might need to adjust it. Like now, I might need to adjust this line a bit so that it touches the wicks of the last two swing lows, like to touch this one and this one properly, so you can see. So I expect the market to buy from here, but currently, since the market has actually hit a strong zone, I want to see some sales to the downside. It is risky to enter a buy trade at this point, even if you see some confirmations. But even if you enter the buy trade, you don't need to hold it for long, because Even though this trend line has not been broken, there's a high chance that the market might come down to break this trend line. The market might come down to break this trend line, retest, then sell to the downside. There's a very high chance that that would happen if you consider the fact that each time market gets to this particular level. If you go to the weekly time frame, you see that each time market gets to this particular level, look at where we marked the blue line. Okay, see, each time market gets to this particular level, it sells down to this, where we have the black line here. From this blue line, it usually sells down to where we have the black line. So there's a very high chance that the market might want to come down to that, where we have that black line, before it can sell, buy back to the upside if at all it wants to, or it might possibly break through it and start selling since it's been buying for a while. So that is the same idea you should have, that the market might want to sell, and the black line is very far from here. Look at where it is right here. The black line is very far, so there's a chance that the market might want to sell to the downside, going by the given by the fact that we see market moved here. This is an impulsive movement in the market, and this is a corrective impulse, and the market has hit this kill strong zone in the market. So there's a chance that it can break and retest and sell down to the, we have this black line. And guys, this is the 1 hourly time frame. That is massive money. So if you can wait on this 1 hourly time frame to see the breakout and proper retest and see the selling of the market, then you can make some cool cash, guys. With just this setup, you can make some cool cash with just this setup. All right, but I do not like entering the market, my trade on the 1 hourly time frame. I usually go down to the 15 minutes time frame. So I'm going down to the 15 minutes time frame. This is what I will see. You can see this. So the market actually has also given us a kind of it came down impulsively and then gave us this impulsive correction in the market. So if it actually wants to buy, it might buy and get to this level, then sell massively to the downside. I do not want to enter a trade now at this point. I will want to see the market do what it wants to do first before I go in for a trade. I want to see the market either break out of this trend, then retest. I'm looking at the sales opportunities in this trade. I'm looking at for the sales opportunity in this trade based on the fact that the market has gotten to this zone, and then you see it broke it, and kind of a liquidity sweep, then it sold down to this side. So I expect the market to still go down, guys. So that's what I would wait to see. If that happens, I'll go into trade and get my own share of the market. Have my own share of the cake. Is a worldwide cake. Pick my own share, you get your own share. So guys, let's just monitor the trade, this market, and wait for a proper breakout and retest. In case you get confused on the 15 minutes time frame, based on the way the market looks on the 15 minutes time frame, I suggest you stick to the 1 hourly time frame. Like this, you stick to the 1 hourly time frame. Just know that there's a chance that the market might buy to the upside. If you want to trade that buys, then you have to be careful. You can just, let me show you what you want to do based on my strategy. I'm going down to 15 minutes time frame. We'll just draw some trend lines like this to mark out this movement in the market, this correction in the market. I mark out this. After marking this out, I would wait to see a kind of a breakout and proper retest. So if the market can break out of this trend line at this point, and then comes back to retest, because I always want to wait for a retest. If it doesn't happen, then let the trade go. That's my own um, principle of trading. That's the way I trade based on my strategy. So if the market comes back to retest, this is what I expect to happen in the market. If it can break out of this trend line, come back to retest at this point, I want to see a breakout to somewhere around here. This looks like a key level. It looks like a key level on the 1 hourly time, on the 15 minutes time frame. So there's a chance the market can easily come there and make a proper retest to the downside around this zone here. You might see the market after buying to this place, after buying to this place, then you can see the massive, we may see a massive sales to the downside. you may see massive sales to the downside, guys. So even if you want to scalp this small movement, you can still make some good money, because if you use a lot size of, let's say, 2.0 at this point, and target maybe this point, you can make at least $50 with a lot size of 2.0. You have a large account. 2.0 or maybe 5.0 will give you over $100. Then you close and wait for the market to confirm that it's going to sell to the downside on getting to this zone. Then if it does, give you that confirmation, you enter and sell and make some good cash in the market. So guys, this analysis is very simple. Do not mind the fact that it is long. It's just that I'm explaining. That is why normally it takes within 5 minutes I am done with my analysis, guys. So if you want to learn how I do my analysis, or you want to learn everything properly, there's a link in the description of this video. Click on that link and you get it. It will take you to my Telegram channel. From the Telegram channel, you'll find my direct contacts. From there, you contact me for a one-on-one mentorship, one-on-one coaching program. Then I will help you to see how you can succeed in trading. And also, you must know that it requires a bit of practice. It requires a bit of practice. Don't just watch videos like this and think everything is over, or everything is you've gotten everything you want. Some people just watch some more videos like this, and the next thing is they fund the account to trade. It is wrong. When you watch a video, then if you can practice what I was just saying in this video, if you practice today and it works for you, you practice tomorrow, it works for you. Do not go and fund your real account to start trading with your live account. Keep on practicing it, because you don't know you're not used to the market yet. With that, the new strategy you have just learned. I see people, just once they see a new strategy, they probably try it today and tomorrow, and they see some profit on their demo account. The next thing is to fund the account. Market changes, market conditions changes. So if you can, be patient enough to practice a new strategy for at least 1 week, consistently for 1 week, I believe by that time you should be able to experience different conditions of that market, so that you know when to use this strategy and when not to use them. Then before you go into using your live account to trade. But if you are in a hurry to trade with your real account, guys, it's a very high chance of blowing up that account as soon as you can. You will blow it very soon, and you still come back to say the strategy does not work, just because you are impatient, guys. So if you want to enroll in my mentorship training, so that I give you all you need to succeed trading the boom and crash market and every other tradable place, guys, there's a link in the description of this video. As for the 1 to 2 weeks mentorship training, that will cost $20, the window is still open. Once you get to the Telegram channel, you will see the information about the training there, and the fee is just $20, 1 to 2 weeks, and I'll try as much as I can to make sure you understand how to approach the market easily, analyze the market, get a trade setup, get an entry, and how to exit the market. Some other confluences I will also expose to you there. There's a powerful indicator. Don't like using indicator to trade. I've been trading with just the chart, that is just pure price action for a while now without indicators. But there is an indicator I discovered that is very powerful, and if you can use it as a confluence, once it confirms for you guys, there's a very high chance of making profit with it. So I'll also expose this particular indicator to you in the training. So do not waste time. Take action as soon as you can, guys. So like this video, subscribe to this channel, post your comment. I want to see your thoughts, and see you in my next video. Peace out.